guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have October's Beauteque monthly beauty box. Yay! Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so when I did my Mask Maven a few days ago, I told you that I had to contact them. They weren't really understanding me. They said they sent me something. I got tracking. This is what came, so they did send me the correct box, so yay. And again, I already did sign up for another 6 months, so moving forward, next month, I will get it right on time, like normal. But let's go ahead and see what's in here. I'm so excited, and I'm so glad that they sent me, which I'm hoping is going to be the right box from last month. We'll see. So, when you open her, yes. And somebody told me, and I didn't even notice, and I was like, what is she talking about? I literally went back and watched my video again. I'm like, what is she talking about? I guess I said lights owl instead of lights out because my brain read that font as an owl for some reason, but it's lights out. Thank you. I'm like, I said owl? I said owl? And I literally had to watch it back, and I was like, oh, I did. So this is lights out. And that is October's theme. So that's what I did receive. So I'm so glad to get that. So now I didn't skip one. I didn't skip a beat now. This is what it looks like when you open it up. It has the sticker that says lights out. Okay. And then when you open her up, that's what it looks like. Oh, it looks like we got some makeup items. Every now and then, I think, so I've been doing this for over a year and a half. This one, I believe that there was only like maybe 2 or 3 times that we got makeup or makeup heavy items. So I don't mind when they throw some makeup in every now and then. So let's go ahead and go with the first item. This is Urban City Kiss and Tension Lipstick. And it looks like it's in the color number 7. That number 7 looks just like number 7, like the brand, like, you know, the makeup and skincare number 7. That doesn't that kind of look like the same logo on this part? But it's Urban City, and Urban City Kiss and Tension Lipstick. This could have been in number 7 or number 9. So it's number 7. There's 2 different colors. Urban City Kiss and Tension Lipstick. Why we love it. Colorful and bright lips are just one coat away. With this lipstick, the texture of the lipstick is very smooth and soft and will provide moisture while keeping the color in all day. And that's what the packaging looks like. Nice and pretty, nice and black with a little bit of shine, and it is in number 7. It looks almost like an orangish color. If that's the case, yeah, I'm gonna set this in a future giveaway for one of you guys, hopefully, to enjoy. That is definitely not a color that I am going to want to try out, and yeah, so I'll put this in a future giveaway. That is like an orange color, so it definitely matches like the color that's there, but maybe somebody would want to keep it and use it for Halloween next year or something. I'm not quite sure. But it's a very orange, peachish color. So hopefully somebody will enjoy that. That is valued at $10. Okay, so the next item we have in here is an eyeshadow. And that's what it looks like. It says eyeshadow B180, valued at $8. This shadow is the real Pink Me Up. It's a real pink me up instead of pick me up because it's pink. Here, let me open it. There's the color right there. So this is the real Pink Me Up. The pigment eyeshadow is a beautiful shade and can be applied all over your lid or as a highlight for the inner corners of your eye. That almost would probably look pretty even as a blush on some people. It's a bright pinkish with like there's this little shimmer. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. There is like a little bit of like shimmer glitter almost in there. That's really pretty. So we have the eyeshadow. So this time we got All Kill Black Peeling Pad. So it says All Kill Black Peeling Pad. This is valued at $4. This gentle yet effective double-sided peeling pad removes dead skin cells completely and provides intensive care for your skin. It's formulated with charcoal powder and black food extracts, including black bean, black sesame, and black rice, which helps tighten pores and moisturize your skin. Now in Beauteque, the beauty box, you normally get one mask, and it could be anything from a face mask to a hair mask to feet, hands, lips, peeling pads, anything like that. So this is the mask for this month. And again, that's valued at $4. Then, ooh, woohoo, look at that. Face jewels, retail value of $6. Why we love it: enhance your makeup look with these fun face gems. These easy to use gem stickers are perfect for a costume party or a music festival. Stickers are just as easy to peel off and reuse. Just add a little bit of body or eyelash glue if they start to lose their stickiness. So they're even reusable. Those are so pretty. There's even stars, and can you guys see like all of the different ones in there? That is so pretty. So they're reusable. Peel off the face jewels from the paper and apply to desired areas of your face. Huh, we've never got something like this in there before. That's really neat. You never know when you're gonna wanna put jewels on your face. Then here's this guy. This says charcoal beer. And look, looks like it would be kind of like a beer can on top. So this is a charcoal beer. This is valued at $22. Urban City Charcoal Clay Beer Wash-Off Mask. This wash-off mask features charcoal powder, which helps cleanse your face and bring vitality to your skin. Just like a can of beer, the clay mask carbonates and curates micro bubbles when massaged into your skin. This helps remove impurities from your pores and make your skin moisturized and smooth. Apply an adequate amount evenly on face. After 3 to 5 minutes or significantly bubbly, gently massage with a small amount of lukewarm water to wash off. So this might be something cool for me to put in my shower, because like while my conditioner is chilling up in my hair, I can put this on my face while I'm like washing my body and then rinse it off afterwards. So maybe that's what I'll do with this guy. So let's see what it looks like inside. So it even has a little spoon and, whoa, already. And it smells kind of like a face mask. It has like a charcoal cleansing scent to it, but not too bad. So that's really neat. And it's a cute little packaging with the little like beer can top. That is really neat. That's cute. Okay, so then the last item in here, you guys, is a Bubble Bubble lip mask. Bubble Bubble lip mask. Valued at $12. There's the packaging. Why we love it: enriched with vitamin C and lemon extracts, this bubble mask will help brighten moisture and soften your lips. The lip mask will reduce wrinkles and leave it smooth and subtle. How to use: apply a generous layer over the entire lip area. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for bubbles to appear. Gently massage the bubbles into and around your lips. Wipe off with a damp cloth. So it has, I was thinking it was going to be kind of like a chapstick, but it has that top. That's what it looks like. Let's see if this bubbles, you guys.
I got bubbles.
So that actually did work. And it didn't take 2 to 3 minutes for it to bubble up. It only took like maybe a minute. So that one's definitely different. So for this month, we got the bubble lip mask. We got the beer charcoal bubbling mask. We have in black peeling pad. We have these really cool jewels for your face and body. We got this pink eyeshadow. And then we have this lipstick. This lipstick will be going in a future giveaway, but everything else I'm gonna be keeping. The total value for this month will be right here. This will be the total retail value for this month's box. Again, this is October's. They always ship out at the very end of the month. So you normally get it the first week of the following month. That's just how they do their shipping. So if you order by, I think the 15th, yes, if you order by the 15th, so right now, if you were to order by November 15th, then you would get November's box. If you order after November 15th, then you would get December's box. But I have them linked down below. You can check out their site. They have 2 different subscriptions. They have this beauty box and then they have the Mask Maven. The beauty box is $24 a month if you do month to month, $23 if you do 6 months, $22 if you do 12 months, and shipping is an addition, and you always get 6 full-size products delivered to your door. They're all K-Beauty, and you get an assortment. You get an assortment of skincare, makeup, body and hair care, and much, much more. Mask Maven is just masks, and you get 9 unique hand-picked sheet masks delivered to your door. Sometimes they're not all sheet masks. They could be lip masks or hand masks or anything like that. They could be even wash-off masks. So they mainly send sheet masks, but you do get some other ones from time to time. That one starts at $15 month to month, $14 if you do 6 months, and $13 if you do 12 months, and then shipping is an addition. Same thing with the Mask Maven. If you order by the 15th, you get that same month. If not, then you get the next month. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this? I'm so glad they got it right and I was able to get this box because I was like so devastated. I'm like, this will be the first time in over a year and a half I don't get the Beauteque monthly. Now I got it. So thank you guys, whoever did sign up, because then I did get this box for free. So thank you so much for that. And yeah, so until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.